Have you ever filled your piping bag and suddenly you don't even know how it happened, but you have buttercream like everywhere, like on your hands, up your arms even, all over your bench? Like, how did it even happen? So today I'm going to show you exactly one of the ways that I like to fill my piping bag as mess-free as possible. So thanks for joining me. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and it's wonderful to have you here. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button before we start, and then we'll get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start with some nice smooth buttercream. I like to use American buttercream. This is the only one that I do make in my cake business, and I have made for like more than 13 years now. So as you can see, it's naturally nice and white, and it's nice and smooth. And we'll just give it a good mix just so we get rid of any of those last minute air bubbles that might have formed. Okay, and we're going to fill our piping bag as mess-free as possible today. So we've got a piping bag here today. This one's from Loyal. It's a 12-inch bag. And the tip I'm going to use today is one of my favourites, the 1M tip. So we'll just start by cutting the base of our piping bag here. And we'll just cut it a bit shorter than what our tip is. Cut across, and then we'll open our bag up, fold it over, okay, and slide our tip down, pointy nozzle first in. Okay, so squeeze it down and just make sure that where the piping bag comes up clears all your beautiful edges here, okay, because you don't want it sitting too low and blocking the flow of the buttercream there, okay. Okay, so we have our bag here with our piping tip in there, but we're not going to just fill the bag instantly from here. What we're going to do is actually cut a piece of cling wrap here. Cut a piece off there, and we're going to fill it with our buttercream, roll it up, and then insert it straight into our bag here. Okay, and this is great if you need to refill your bag several times. So what we'll do is start fairly much in the center, okay, and we're going to lay our buttercream in a line, okay, having more buttercream towards the center here and less down at the edge here. Okay, so we're going to position it like it's a cone already, okay, so it fits the shape of the bag. So once we've done that, pull up one side, flip it over, and just press it down gently. Again, just accentuating that cone shape. Okay, and then keep rolling it over. Okay, and then twist the cling wrap at the top, twist it at the bottom, and then we're going to cut off the bottom, and you want to make sure that you do cut off a decent amount so that it's not just a tiny hole that's way smaller than what your piping tip is. Okay, so once you've got that, drop it in, pull up your bag, twist it at the top, and now you can always pop a little tie on there or a peg or something like that. But otherwise, you'll see it's ready to go. Squeezed out, ready to start piping. Thanks for joining us today. That's how we like to fill our piping bag. One of the ways we do it, try and keeping it as mess-free as possible. If you do want any of the supplies, piping tips, piping bags, just use our code Enchanted10 for Cakers Warehouse. You can get all your supplies online there. And the link for our own buttercream, our signature white buttercream that we make, we'll make sure we pop the link below for you. All right, happy decorating. I'll see you next time. Bye.